Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by measuring and collecting what you need. That saves backtracking. First, remove the screen frame from the window and set it on a flat work surface. Use a screwdriver on screws or pry up plastic spline caps with a putty knife, then pull the old spline and mesh out with pliers. Once done, clean the channel of dirt and paint flakes so the new spline seats properly. This prevents gaps and ensures a tight finish. With the frame cleaned, lay the replacement mesh over it and keep it square. Alignment matters. Begin by pressing spline and mesh into the middle of one side using a roller, then move to the opposite side to build even tension. Work the remaining sides the same way, pulling taut but not overstretching. Too tight causes warping. Once the spline is fully seated, trim the excess mesh level with the spline. Make sure corners are neat, and spline is fully inside the channel to avoid loosening. After trimming, reassemble and reinstall the screen into the window. Test the fit before tightening screws. Adjust any alignment with light taps so it sits flush. If you notice sagging, press the spline further and retension the mesh. Small pinholes can be patched with adhesive or a tiny mesh patch. If the frame is warped and won't square, replace it or add thin shims to square the opening first. Following these steps ensures a long-lasting, neat repair every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.